Another little song by that vegan teacher. Thanks so much for being here and listening. If you like it, feel free to use it on Instagram or on TikTok or anywhere else as a background to making your own videos. Thanks for helping me save the animals. Animals exist in their own right. They have a right to control their own lives and bodies. They have intrinsic value and are not ours to exploit or kill. Using animals for food, clothing, research, etc. violates their basic rights and is therefore morally unacceptable.
Be kind, be vegan.
Forcing animals to endure mutilation, separation from family, isolation, immobility, disease, and acute and chronic pain are all reprehensible and unethical. Moreover, these atrocities are completely unnecessary and a blatant violation of their most fundamental rights.
Be kind, be vegan.
Vegans strive to eliminate support for and consumption of anything that requires animals to be abused, exploited, or killed. Meat, milk, eggs, leather, wool, down, fur, etc. are all derived by violating animals' rights and they're therefore not vegan.
Be kind, be vegan. Thank you for listening to this melody. Now you know you can be vegan, you'll feel great, you will see. Thank you for listening to this song. If you liked it, click the like button and sing along.
Thank you so much for being here. Coming up on the screen are a whole bunch of other videos. Go ahead and tap on them if you're interested. Be curious. Have a look around my site. If you haven't subscribed yet, do that too. And click the little notification bell. Help me. Let's save animals together.